Hello everyone, my name is Bing. I'm very happy to see so many of you in the audience. Today I want to tell you three important things when life gets tough. If you are feeling bad right now about your life, your work, and your English, so this word for you. The first thing is pain is part of growing. Good things take time. Stay patient. Stay positive. And remember, you have to care of pain. Pain just hurts you. Pain just change you. Both guys help you grow. The second thing is every life is temporary. Nothing lasts forever. So everything are good right now. Enjoy it. It won't last forever. If things are bad, don't worry. Because it won't last forever. You get a second chance every second. You just have to take it and make the best of it. And the last thing you will remember is the best thing you can do is to keep going. Don't be afraid to the back up, to try again, to live again, to love again, and to dream again. Something you have to go through the worst to arrive at your best. Find the strength to love every day. Find the courage to feel different, yes, beautiful. Feel find it in your heart to make others smile. Two, don't stress over things you can change. Live a shape life to love generously. Speak justly. Work hard and even if you fall, keep going. Keep growing. Thank you for listening. I hope you feel your strength again. Never stop learning English.